Hi all, welcome again. In the previous video, we have discussed the basics of terminating decimals. In this video, we will explore this topic in depth. Example 0.25 can be written as 1 by 4. So, 1 by 4 is the fraction equivalent of 0.25. Got it? First point, observe here, when we divide 1 by 4, we get 0 as the final remainder. So, you can say the division is completed or terminated. Second point, the quotient or the result is 0.25 or simply 0.25, which has finite number of decimal digits. So, 0.25 is a terminating decimal. So, the conclusion is, in case of terminating decimals, when we divide their fraction equivalent, the division ends or terminates after few steps, and also we get 0 as the final remainder. That is why the decimal has a finite number of decimal digits. So, they are called terminating decimals. Got it? Hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel Basics to Master Maths. Thank you.